Hello mga sir, welcome to Dad and Son Sports Cards. Sir Dad here, and today we'll have a mail day, no? So itong mail day natin ngayon is probably estimated around 20,000 pesos and up. Composing of breaks, break loots, tapos yung mga purchase natin na singles, mga graded cards, mystery packs, no? So yan yung composition ng ating mail day for today. Kaya ngayon, medyo marami-rami ito. Kaya excited akong buksan natin. Nakalimutan ko na yung karamihan dito. Pero, yan. Kaya natin bubuksan ngayon para tingnan natin ano ba yung mga nabili kong to na worth 20,000 pesos and above estimated. Okay, no? So, ngayon dyan lang kayo guys dahil bubuksan natin isa-isa. Pero bago natin buksan, subscribe muna kayo sa ating YouTube channel, Dad and Son Sports Cards. And also follow us on Instagram, Dad and Son Sports Cards. And we're doing box breaks there. No, we have a group. We're doing box breaks. We're also having fire sale. No, we're selling singles. So Dad and Son Sports Cards is our shop. Meron tayong shop sa Shopee, guys. No, so yan. Yung karamihan ng makikita nyo ngayon, guys. No, dito ninyo first look. Dito ang first look ninyo sa mga pwede ninyong mabili sa aming shop or pwede ninyong makuha sa mga razes natin, no? Kaya or sa fire sale natin. Kaya tingnan ninyo, panoorin ninyong video na to, tapusin ninyo hanggang dulo at baka may magustuhan kayong cards na possible kong i-post sa ating Instagram or sa ating shop sa Shopee. Okay guys? So let's start. San ba ako magsisimula sa dami ng mga to guys, no? So itong mga envelopes na to, ayan. Okay, dito muna siguro tayo. Dito muna tayo sa, at tingin ko ito yung mystery bag natin or mystery pack natin from Pinoy Soccer Breaks, no? So, kay Sir Jeff, ang aking neighbor. Tingnan natin kung anong nakuha ko sa mystery pack nila. Alam ko that was a fundraising drive, no? If I'm not mistaken. So, here we go. Andre Diaz. This is Intercontinental Clubs, no? Tapos ito si Hernanes, Jeremy Brett, Jean, at yung iba dito guys, pinapapa-free raz din natin or pwede ninyo makuha freebie sa fire sale natin guys. Kaya tingnan ninyong mabuti guys, baka meron kayong magustuhan. Abangan na ninyo sa ating fire sale and sa Instagram post natin. Diego Forlan, Bresca Belica, Massimo Donati, Teden Mengi, Romelu Lukaku. So I have tons of this Lukaku cards, no? And Wojciech Szczesny. Oh. Okay, mukhang hindi ako pinalad sa mystery pack na to, no? Hindi ako pinalad sa mystery pack na to. Tingnan natin yung next. I have 2 packs eh. Ito, rookie card naman to. Itong rookie card ni Teden Mendy. Okay? Ganun talaga si mystery packs, no? Pwedeng sa amin, mayroon kami feast or famine na mystery packs, no? Pwede kang feast minsan, pwede ka ring famine. Okay, so here we go. So, ito naman yung second mystery pack from Sir Pinoy Soccer Breaks. Marco Andrioli, Rodrigo Tadei, Christian Panucci, Rodrigo Tadei, Max Toneto. Uy, may nakatop. So, ibig sabihin, maganda yon, no? Ibig sabihin, maganda yun. May nakahit ako dito. Kung di ako nagkakamali, tingnan natin. Here we go. Sergio Aguero. Uy, Sergio Aguero, who just retired, no? Who just retired because, yun nga, may heart condition ata siya. This good, Sergio Aguero, no? Thomas Vermaelen, Colo Torre, Roberto Lopez, Real Sociedad, and Vicente Guaita. Oh, okay. So I think overall, famine ako sa mystery pack. Famine tayo sa mystery pack na yan. Kaya ayun guys, ganyan talaga. Siguro swerte nung nakahit, no? So ayan yung sa first natin. So, more of WCCF cards yung mga freebies natin, no? We got Mosaic and Idon Romelu Lukaku. We got 2 RCs. Sleeve natin yung isang RC. Baka gumaling. Parang si VCJ. Lahat umaasa na gumaling si VCJ. Ayan. So, there you go. Okay, those are for our soccer, no? So, soccer. Yan. Siguro yung mga ni-sleeve niya nun. Hindi ko lang kilala pero baka hits din yan, no? So, that's for soccer. Next tayo. Next naman natin would be, I think this one is from the break of Sir Pinoy Breaks. No? So, we are also supporting Team Puyat Breakers. Alam nyo, maraming nagsimula sa Team Puyat, no? Na mag-box break, no? Andyan sila Sir Garage Collectibles. Yan, si Sir Pinoy Breaks. Marami. And we're supporting each one, no? So, this one, eto, mukhang Chicago ako doon. Tingin ko, I joined this first break if I'm not mistaken. So this one, yun. So first break nga, pati second break nandun ako. Tapos fifth break na. Okay? So first break natin, mukhang super kanal ako dito sa first break namin. So, Lori Markkanen. Okay? Lori Markkanen. So, my advice kasi sa Team Puyat Breakers is start small, no? So, ayan, nag-start siya sa contenders. Okay? Next, ayan, medyo nag-level up siya ng onte. Chronicles Draft Picks. Duarte, my boy. Ayan, alam niyo na si Duarte, my boy. Ayan, Duarte. This is good, no, for me. Addition to my PC. So, sa 2021 rookies, Duarte is my boy. Okay? Next naman tayo. Ito yung break number 5 niya. So, si Tillman has minutes sa sa Grizzlies. Desmond Bain, Rookies and Stores Desmond Bain, Hometown Heroes Desmond Bain, Marquee Desmond Bain, Keon Johnson, Desmond Bain Luminance. Oh, kakaiba yung Luminance ngayon, no? Desmond Bain. Ja Morant, my boy. Ja Morant. So, it's 2. Dalawa, no? Dalawang essentials. Mas okay essentials ngayon para sa akin, no? Mas okay yung essentials ngayon. Yung Luminance, tingin ko mas gusto ko yung last year. No? Nag-iba yung rookie card na, no? Stamp. There you go. So, yan ang mga Grizzlies boys natin, no? So, ayan. So, next naman tayo. Ito from slabstudio.com, no? So, binigyan niya tayo ng free na for my Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan na Metal Universe, no? So, tingnan natin. Abangan ninyo guys, no? Ipopost ko sa IG yung picture after, ayan. So there, thank you Slab Studios for this, no? Thank you for sponsoring slabs for my Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan. This is nice, no? Post ko sa IG yung kakalabasan niya. So they're making customized slabs. Imbes na ipag-grade din nyo, ayan, lagay nyo na lang sa slab na ginawa nila. Okay, so yan. It's amazing, no? Kaysa nga naman gumastos ka ng PSE graded, but kung gusto mong gumanda yung card mo, lagay ng card mo imbes sa top speed na. Okay, visit them on their Facebook, Slab Studios, pakita ko. Ayan, ito meron din silang website, slabstudio.com, no? Thank you sir for this, no, for sponsoring me with this slab, free slab. Next naman tayo, graded naman tayo. Meron tayong dalawang graded card ngayon. Oh, of course, the Aaron Fox PSA 9 there. Again, this is the first player na nakilala ng anak ko, si Sir Son, no? There, nice. This Select 2017 and a Doris Baisley Green Prism PSA 10. Nice. So there, nice mail day. That's PSA 10 Doris Baisley. Okay, next naman tayo. Next, I think this are rookie and jersey, rookie autos, no? Tingnan natin. Oops. Here we go. Para merong konting thrill. Jarrett Culver, rookie remembrance. Okay. We also have Bruno Fernando, rookie ticket. Nice. We also have Matisse Taibul, sensational swatches. So, and rookie jerseys of Kevin Werther. Yan. There. So, most of this will be on my shop. Kaya abangan ninyo. Itong mail day natin dito. Tapos pipiliin ko lang yung mga pang PC natin. Pang PC. Jalen Smith. Uy. Numbered 99. Taas ng ano nito eh. Taas ng draft nito, no? Ni Jalen Smith. Pero ano kayo nangyayari? Zaire Smith. Rookie roll call. Nice. Certified. Auto. On card. Hindi siya sticker auto. This one is a sticker auto. It's an on card auto. Jalen Horde. Oh, there. Jalen Horde for Trailblazers. Sino ba tong binili kong to? Baka free to, free. Baka free niya to. Ito siguro yung binili ko, tas free ito. I'm not sure. Okay, yan yung mga auto and jersey cards natin. Next, another slab. Another slab tayo. Another slab. Ooh, Kobe White arriving now hollow. Ayan. Kobe White arriving now hollow. Tanggalin na lang natin kasi papalitan na lang natin yan. Arriving now hollow PSA 9. He's back. No? Kobe White. Nice. Abangan ninyo yan, guys. And also this one. So, here. Uy, there. Lonzo Ball. PSA 9 Lonzo Ball. I think I have a PSA 10 of this. It is the PSA 9. So, I'm collecting twinings kasi, guys. Twinings yung kinokolekta natin. And, na-realize ko lately, magko-collect ako ng Lonzo and LaMelo Ball. Lonzo and LaMelo Ball twinning para twinning silang magkapatid. Oh, so nice. Lonzo Ball PSA 9. That's a rookie card. Optic rated rookie card there. Dami-dami to, guys. Kaya stay tuned. Ito naman, tingin ko ito from Monu Apple Breaks. The Monu Apple Breaks. Si Boss Mon. Ito naman yung from the Monu Apple Breaks. Ito, pinost ko na to sa Instagram. Saka excitedan ko. Ja Morant Lights Out from Boss Mon. Yan si Boss Mon. There. And this one, tingnan natin ano pa. Dami-dami to. This one. Mukhang dito kanal ako dito Walang nakataps eh. There and there. Okay. Danilo Gallinari, Nerlens Noel, and Darius Baisley. So, kanal tayo dun. So, minsan sa breaks, kanal din. Ay, uy, ganda nito. Oy. Pat Wheel, acetate rookie. Ganda ng acetate rookie ni Pat Wheel. Kobe White and artist proof na Kobe White there. Ay, so, nag-bulls ako noon. There. Okay, not bad. Not bad for that break, ha. Next month, nag-Portland naman ako dito. Ay, nakuha ko. CJ McCollum and CJ McCollum. Yan, twinning. They're red prism or ruby wave. This one is there. Dominance. Oh, addition to the PC. Dominance green. Ja Morant. Ganda. Green dominance. Okay, so PC yan. Dito yan. Okay. Dito, iwalay natin yan. Next, this one is tingin ko, hindi lang 20,000 to, guys. Tingin ko, 30,000 tong mail din na to. Sa dami nito. Okay. Spencer Dinwiddie and James Harden. And this one, my first Obsidian Auto Galaxy from the Monu Apple Bricks Bruce Brown. It's number 275. Ayan. Galaxy Bruce Brown for the Nets. Alay mo, umabot yan sa finals, diba? Okay. Next, ito. Grizzlies ako as usual. Grizzlies. Hollow JJJ. Xavier Tillman. Brandon Clark, JJJ, Desmond Bain, and another addition to the PC Dominators, Elite Dominators, Jamorant, and Desmond Bain rookie card there. So there, ayan na, medyo dumadami na yung Jamorant natin, guys. Dumadami na yung Jamorant natin, unti-unti, one card at a time. Magkakaroon din tayo ng magandang PC there. And this is Panini Threads. Tingin ko one of the first break to ni Boss Mon, if I'm not mistaken. So Kings naman ako dito. Habol ko dito si Fox. Mitchell Robinson, DSJ, Enes Kanter, Alonzo Trier rookie card, Willie Cauley-Stein, Buddy Hield, di pa nag-Fox, no? Next Wave, Marvin Bagley. Yan. Buddy Hield, Freedom. Nung nga man tawag dito sa ano na to, Silver Disco, and Next Wave there. Okay, Knicks at saka ano ako dyan, Blazers, saka Kings pala, sorry. And this pile naman, these next piles are from Sir Chuck, Cardboard Chuck, no? So for Sir Chuck, Cardboard Chuck breaks, Marvin Bagley, Harry Giles, naipon yung card ko kay Sir Chuck, Jamais, ngayon ko lang nakuha Jamais Ramsey, pero okay lang, at least madami tayong mail day today. Buddy Hield, Robert Woodard, and Marvin Bagley. Ayan, guys. So I believe na nasa 30,000 tong ano na to, mail day na to, kaya yun yung itatitle natin. Rui Hachimura, slabs pa lang eh. Troy Brown Jr., Ish Smith, Thomas Bryant, Bradley Beal, Silver, and Rui Hachimura, John Wall, Davis Bertans, Rui Hachimura, and Denny Avdia, Green Flood. Nice. The Pogi, Denny Avdia. Okay. Kaya, marami dito. Fire sale na naman natin. Naabangan nyo ng Team Puyat. Drew Holiday, Zion, Brandon Ingram, Josh Hart, Derek Favors, Lonzo Ball, Kira Lewis Jr., the Pelicans, Ben Simmons, Tobias Harris, Joel Embiid, Silver Dominance, Matisse Thybulle, Tobias Harris, and Tyrese Maxey. Okay. Next. Bogdanovich, the Aaron Fox, Jamaius Ramsey, grabe talaga ito si Jamaius Ramsey, laging lumalabas. Harrison Barnes, Buddy Hield, Robert Woodard, Bogdanovich, Buddy Hield, the Aaron Fox or B-Wave. This is the first player na nala. And Tyrese Halliburton, nice. Yan. Yung Fox, syempre, dito yan. Si Acer Son yan. Paglaki niya, no? Pinag-ipunan ko siya ng Fox. Derrick Rose, Julius Randle, Reggie Bullock, Red, White, and Blue Prism, and Mitchell Robinson. Obi Toppin, not bad Flash Prism. Obi Toppin just made a dunk, an epic dunk on Christmas Day game between Knicks and Hawks. Next is Otto Porter Jr., Zach LaVine, Bulls ako dito, Thomas Satoransky, Kobe White, Rodman, Chris Dunn, Thaddeus Young, and Pat Will Green. Nice, not bad. Green Prism Pat Will. Not bad. Meron pala ako nito. Green Prism Pat Will. This one, meron din 90s break pins and si Boss Chuck. Robert Horry, Chucky Brown, Robert Horry, Mark Bryant. Kaano kaya ito ni Thomas Bryant, guys? Comment down below kung kaano-ano ni Thomas Bryant si Mark Bryant. Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon there. And Pat Will there. Pat Will. So, mabuls pala ako kay Sir Chuck na mabuls pala. Next. Kings. Ayan na naman tayo sa Kings. Marvin Bagley, Jamice Ramsey, Buddy Hield courtside, the Aaron Fox Blue Prism, and oh man, this is nice, true silver, Tyrese Halliburton. Nice. O syempre, add na yan. Add na natin yun sa PC. Silver. Tyrese Halliburton. Next naman tayo. Next. Okay, blue, white, purple, cracked ice, RJ Barrett, Kevin Knox. Silver. Obi Toppin. Blue, white, purple, cracked ice, red, white, green, cracked ice, IQ5, and Eric Gordon and John Wall. There. Okay. Next. Elite. Uy, may jack kaya ako dito, guys. Hindi ko na talaga matandaan sa tagal nito eh. Brandon Clark, Ja Morant. Okay, kahit base yan, masaya na ako. Ja Morant, and uy, star status Ja Morant. Grabe, dahil ko na palang Ja. There. Ja Morant, star status. Nice card, ang ganda. Thank you, Boss Chuck. Nice. Nice. I'm happy with these cards ng Jack natin. I'm so happy. Next. Okay, Pistons ako dito sa Dick Bay, Pips 2, Killian Hayes, ayan, Langston Galloway, Bruce Brown, Sekou, and Sadiq Bey, draft class 2020. Okay, and yung last natin would be a 90s break. Gerald Glass, Christian Laettner, Sam Mitchell rookie card. And I see a rider, Todd Murphy, Tyron Corbin, Randy Brewer. I see a rider, Christian Laettner, and Mike Brown. Mike Brown, coach ba to? Ito si Coach Mike Brown, guys. And Jimmy Rogers and Randy Brewer. There. So, that's it. That's our mail day. That's our mail day for today, guys. And I'm happy with this addition to the PC. Elite Star Status, Ja Morant, Tyrese, 2 silver, Obi Toppin, Flash Prism, the Aaron Fox, Elite Dominators, Ja, Dominant Screen, and Lights Out. Oh, nice. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again on our next mail day. We'll try to post everyday contents on our Dad and Son Sports Cards channel and also in our Pokebuds channel. If you want Pokemon content, go to our YouTube channel, The Pokebuds. And if you want sports cards content, Dad and Son Sports Cards. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we would appreciate your support, everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again next time. Bye, guys.